How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencer full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one or this influencer, and for example, this one too, and for example, this one. All these three examples are just an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist. And guess what? You can use it to get your money. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personality are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do voiceover, and you don't have even to write the script. So a lot of influencers guys earns millions of dollars. In this video I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. First step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character, but don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here HiSheen.com is an AI based tool that uh, can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have a lot of options: user case, features, resources, company, pricing, and this is the website. So all you have to do is, as you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can just choose the one you want, and you can sign up. Then you can enter your email and your verification code. Then you answer for a few questions, and after finishing signing up, you'll have this home page. You have this homepage. So here we have recent creation and hygiene learning guide. If you wanna AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, and also if you have or if you wanna templates, you can just choose the one suits you. So here we have a various one. So sales deck, for example, KPI presentations, and you can also find, if we scroll down over here, avatars. So to choose the one suits you more, you can just click over here, and here we have avatars. So you can just click on studio avatar, and it will let you to various one, and then you can choose the one you want. So as you can see here, we have various avatars or characters, AI characters. You can choose to start with it, and you can also use it on your video to explain uh, and start getting money with it. So after selecting the one you want, let's select that one, for example, to start. So to start, here we have a lot of this three dot for if you want to edit avatar and collaborators, or you can just delete it because it's your avatars. But if we scroll down over here and choose here, you can just click over here. Here we have two options: edit avatar, get avatar ID. And to get started, you can just click over here by clicking on landscape, because if you want to start on YouTube, so you can just click over here, and here we have our AI character. So to start, you can just click on here to add in a script, and as you can see, you can also add it, another one if you want to, and you can also add it to third one and the fourth. So it's depend on how much script you want, and you can also select the voice you want. So here we have, for example, that one. So here we have various voices. You can choose the one suits you more. So to more understand, you can just here we have four options, depend or related to the voice you want. For example, the language. So here we have a lot of or various language you can choose, and here we have if you want a male or female for your voice, and also the age if you want a child one or youth, middle age, older, and here we have the function if you want to pause and support it, adjustable speed, adjustable page. So it's depend on what you want. And here we have a lot of types of public voice. So here we have the natural one, explainer if you want it for ads or for audiobooks or for e-learning or for narration or for games. So you can start the one suits you, and then after selecting the scripts, then you can for example if you wanna change the place of your character or AI character, and here we have a lot of options if you wanna edit your video, and then after finishing editing, then you can click over here submit, and you can download your video. So you can see, for example, my example that I made. So this is it.
AI influencers are equipped with advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to interact with users in real time, understand context, and
So it's depend on content that you want to. So there's a lot of ideas then you can start with. For example, you can start with affiliate marketing. Like you can start with platforms affiliate marketing like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services. So you can choose the brand you want, and then you will start promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, and then you will earn your commission on sales generated through the referral links. And using these AI influencers can help you to uh, creating videos and promoting to these products or services. Or you can just, for example, creating a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So, for example, you can define your topic, and then you will start creating a script, and then you will select your AI influencer using hygiene.com. So there's a various idea, various ways to start getting money on YouTube or on your channel using AI influencers. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.